Today we're going to unbox this one, this Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 320. So it's got a nice box. Yep. Box pa lang maganda na siya. We're going to do a review to this Kreg 320 Pocket Hole Jig. To disassemble this one, the jig must be towards you, the hole, then you pull and twist. Simple as that. Pull again, then twist. There. You now have two pocket holes. So these pocket holes has numbers here, 13, 19 and 38. I suppose this is in millimeters. This is just to align this one to your material to be exact, to drill the hole exactly. So to adjust this one, you just push it until you hear a click. Push, and then when you hear a click, like that one, and the gray mark, there's already a gray mark here in the hole, your jig is already proportioned to the thickness of your material. And also, to adjust this one, what do you call this one, stopper, the drill bit has numbers also, but it's in inches: 1/2, 3/4, and 1.5. So you have to align this hole here to the corresponding number depending on the material you're going to drill. Now I'm going to show you how to drill a hole using this pocket hole jig. There's a hole here. That's why I draw a line. I draw a line here in my piece, and this is a 17.5 millimeter plywood piece. So I'm aligning this one 19 mm. So this hole here is to center your line. This one here touches the edge of your plywood. Then just hold it up and clamp it. Clamp it tight, then drill. And now you got your pocket hole. And what I like about this one is it cuts clean and it's really simple to use. There. So that's it for this Kreg 320. It's a good buy actually. I bought this in Lazada, so you might like to check this out. It's a great tool, great buy. 2 thumbs up for me.